Welcome back to the Planner 5D channel. Today, we're diving into part 2 of our design adventure, transforming more living rooms from drab to fab. Whether you're an interior design pro or just love a good makeover story, stay tuned for some expert tips and tricks. Let's transform those living room disasters into design triumphs. By the way, interior design project development is now much easier with the Planner 5D app. There's no need to draw plans from scratch or sketch each piece of furniture. With Planner 5D, you can create any project digitally. Simply start a new project, choose from a variety of ready-made objects, and customize their size, textures, and placement to your liking. Moreover, Planner 5D features AI-powered functions that can recognize blueprints or furnish your space in styles ranging from Japandi to boho. Experience how technology enhances the interior design process with Planner 5D. Fifth room, Eco Oasis living room. Lighting, no dedicated lighting accent. Furniture placement, a poof can make your walkway difficult in the room. Overcrowding, the room has many decorative elements which can create a feeling of crowding and clutter. What will be done in this project? First, lighting. Second, furniture placement. Third, overcrowding. Small changes will help this room. Remove the chair, rearrange the plant, and eliminate crowded decor, the rug, and the poof. Rearrange the large poof and the floor lamp. Much better now. Which version do you prefer, before or after? Sixth room, living room with floral walls. Wallpaper and moldings. A large number of floral prints clutter the space and compete with bright moldings. Ceiling. The dark wood ceiling makes the space feel smaller. Focal points. Too many eye-catching elements leads to a lack of clear focus. Too much furniture in one small room. Textile. Pillows and carpet should complement the interior with comfort and not compete for attention. What will be done in this project? First, wallpapers and ceiling. Second, furniture and focal point. Third, textile. Let's enlarge this room visually. Change the wallpaper to a calm color. Remove unnecessary items to prevent the room from feeling overloaded. Chair, decor, flowers. Place some items on the dressers. Replace the rug with a larger one in a neutral color. Change the plaid to white. Replace the pillows with new ones in different textures and colors. Paint the ceiling white to visually add space. Which version do you prefer, before or after? Eclectic living room interior. Color balance. The walls are painted in vibrant purple, which can overwhelm the space. The shelves are arranged in a manner that lacks balance in both the decor and the shelving arrangement. Compared to the sofa and shelf, the wall above the fireplace is too empty. The pillows don't match the interior in terms of color and patterns. What will be done in this project? First, wall colors. Second, shelves. Third, decor. Fourth, fireplace. Start by removing the non-functional mirrors. Add one above the fireplace instead. Rearrange the large decorations and transform the shelves into art objects. Add more shelves in different colors and heights and place decorations on them. Add curtains to soften the overall vibrant look of the room. Add the rug in a neutral color. Choose pillows in different textures and colors. Which version do you prefer, before or after? 8th room, green living room interior. The room's vivid green and geometric patterns make it busy. The lighting is too yellow and monochromatic. There is no accent. Heavy traditional curtains contrast with other prints in the room. The coffee table is quite small relative to the size of the sofa, which may not be practical. The carpet in this room is too small, and the sofa lacks decor that differs from the pillows. What will be done in this project? First, color balance. Second, lighting. Third, textile. Fourth, coffee tables. Leave one accent wall behind the sofa and add neutral color to the opposite wall. The rug should be larger and in a neutral color. Replace the curtains with a more minimalist design. Place two coffee tables of different sizes in bronze and green for convenient use. Replace the plant with a larger one. Choose a lamp with a more neutral light to make the interior lighter rather than warmer. Change the pillows and the room is ready. Which version do you prefer, before or after? 9th room, gray living room interior. The room could use a little more contrast or color to break up the gray. The shape of this firewood holder does not suit this type of interior. The space appears somewhat sterile without personal touches. Coffee table and plant, they are too small for this room. What will be done in this project? First, colors. Second, wood. Third, personal touch. Fourth, coffee table and plant. Rearrange the plant and add a larger one. Add some pillows and a plant in a contrasting color that matches the entire interior, so the room doesn't feel so empty. Place two coffee tables. Add a shelf with a few decor items to make the room more comfortable and give it a personal touch. Which version do you prefer, before or after? Thanks for tuning in. You've just strolled through 5 fabulous living rooms and spotted some common design mistakes. Don't forget to show some love by hitting that like button and subscribing to Planner 5D channel. If you missed part 1, be sure to watch that video. Now, we want to hear from you. Drop us a comment with the number of the room makeover that made your heart sing the loudest.